Welcome everyone. We are solving merge case sorted lists. In this, there are multiple. There is an array of lists which are linked lists. We need to merge all those elements, and we need to create a list in the sorted way, and then we need to create a linked list in that sorted order and return the linked list in this format. So it should be sorted. So there are, as you can see in an example, there are one three lists, 145, 134, and 26. So everything is merged and it is now sorted. So we need to do that. So how I will be achieving this is somewhat different from the traditional approach, which involves operations on the linked list. I will do just transfers the linked list and I'll add in the list. So let's create a list of integer. So we can create this inside it. Rather, I'll create over here. So again, I'll iterate list nodes by enhance for loop. Then what I'll do, I'll transfers all the element of that node represent the linked list. So there are array of linked lists which is over here, they are called as lists. So let's see. So while node not equal to null, list dot add node dot val its value, then I'm incrementing the head of node to node dot next. In this way, all the linked list will be transferred and all the elements will be added to this list. So now I'm sorting that list. So collections dot sort list did this. Now I need to create a linked list. So I'll create a list node. So again, there is an issue, like if list is empty, so this if list is empty, so what we will do, if list dot size equal to 0, then we should return null, right? No element is there, so we'll return null. So collections dot sort list. Now I'll create a list node which is the head of this node, this list. So I'll create by the constructor list node head node new list node. So first value will be list dot get 0, right? So but this head value will be like while we will be transferring, this head will be changed, so we need to return the starting position. So I'll create another list node which will store result. Now it will point to the head. So again I will use another one for loop to create a linked list. Now int I equal to 1, since the 0th element we created initially, I equal to 1, I less than list dot size and I plus plus. So again what I'll do is, now head dot next will be equal to new node list node list dot get I, right? Now we need to increment the counter. Head is equal to head dot next. Okay, now everything is fine. We just need to return the result. Let's see whether it is running or not. Yes, it is getting accepted. Let's submit it. Yes, it is getting submitted. It's not that fast. I'll be re-uploading the video for it, which will be using some other methods. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.